For those of you who may not know the full account of Saul/Paul, this is the beginning stages of the transformation that is taking place. So tonight's title is very, very appropriate for our study tonight, and it is Transformed by the Renewing of Our Mind. You see, Saul was about to be transformed by the renewing of his mind. Remember, he gave the followers of Jesus a way to go. And the reason he did this was because he actually honored God and honored the word of God. And he felt that he knew exactly how things had to be. And in that time, and listen, and it's reminiscent of today as well. How many times have you been in a position where you felt you just needed to present yourself perfect to God? I know I have. And listen, why bother? Because we cannot accomplish perfection in our human deity, which is the whole purpose of Jesus, okay? And so now here he is hearing from Jesus for the first time. Now, listen, I want to draw your attention to that because to me, that's very, very important. Listen, he did all the studying he could do. He studied with influential people, okay? He studied with people who were so learned in Judaism.